So how can you not sync Apple devices? Let's get started. Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more videos and tutorials like this one. So if you have, for example, more iPhones or an iPad as well, and if they are all using the same Apple ID, so you can check it out by going to the settings, and at the top of the list, you can see your profile. So if you're signed in with the same Apple ID on all of them, it's likely that some of the features are going to be synced across your devices. And if you want to prevent that from happening, you can open up the settings as you are already in here, go to your profile and check out the iCloud section. So you can see so many different services might be enabled for your iCloud. So I personally have the photos turned off, but if I would enable it on all devices, it would just sync the photos together. So if you don't want anything to be synced, or at least choose specific things like features which you don't want to have synchronized, just turn it off right here. For example, if I don't want the same contacts to be synced across my devices, I'm going to turn it off in here, and ideally on that other device as well. So it's very likely that you just want to set it up for some of the apps, right? And then not have it, perhaps you don't want to turn it off completely. But if you just entirely want to separate the devices, it would make sense to set up a completely different Apple ID on that device, and it's just going to be completely separate. Nothing will ever be synced or connected in any way. So that's my little explanation. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for the next tutorials and videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.